Today, we're going to break down how to make money online in 2026 using this simple freedom framework. Glow Squad, we did it. Our 7-day email freedom challenge just wrapped up today. So the last email is going out around 10 in the morning. I don't know if this video will be out, but honestly, I'm so proud of everyone who joined over the past week. I watched you start to carve out that 1 hour a day and start building your first income stream online. So the messages, the steps you've been taking have been incredible. And if you missed it, don't worry. You can still hop on my email list and join the Glow Squad today. We're just getting started. Click the link below. I'll have in the description box to join us on this journey. So today's video is a big one. We're talking about how to make money online in 2026 using what I call Simple Freedom Framework. So this is the same system that helped me build an income as a stay-at-home mom, and it also helps my subscribers build consistent income streams, and most importantly, gives us the freedom. So grab a notebook and let's get comfy and get right into it. Glow Squad, 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting years ever to build an online business. AI tools, short form content, digital products, personal branding, and the playing field has never been more open. You don't need to have a massive budget, you don't need a huge following, you don't even need to be super tech savvy. What you do need is a framework, something that gives you clarity, structure, and a simple daily action plan. That's where my Simple Freedom Framework comes in. It's built on 3 pillars: learn, leverage, launch. We'll break those down in a second, but before we go further, make sure that you are on my email list because I send out exclusive emails, training, strategy, and you don't want to miss when I share. So make sure you're on that list. To make money online in 2026, you don't need 10 different skills. You need one profitable skill. And here's how I teach the simple framework. One, you're going to pick your lane. Ask yourself, what comes naturally to me? Do you love storytelling, design, coaching, tech? Then find the overlap between what you enjoy and what people pay for. So spend one focused hour a day mastering that skill. That's exactly what we did in our 7-day challenge. Just 1 hour a day. That's all it takes to build momentum. It takes an example. Let's take an example. You love storytelling. You can become a content writer, YouTube scripting, or ghostwriter. Or if you love systems and organization, that's automation setup, AI workflow services, or Notion consulting. So the truth is, online income starts with solving problems, not chasing trends. So start with value, and the income will follow. Now let's get into step 2. You want to leverage. Once you've built that skill, it's time to leverage it. Leveraging is how you earn more without working more hours. In 2026, leverage looks like using AI tools to create content faster, building your email list, your digital home base, setting up simple systems and automations that work while you rest. Here's the mindset shift: don't trade time for money, build assets that keep paying you. Let me give you an example. So back in 2023, I built one digital template packet. I uploaded it once and it still earns me sales. So every single month, that's leverage. So when you think about how to make money online in 2026, don't just ask how to earn more, ask how to earn smarter. Now, step 3 is launch. Now comes the fun part, which is launching. So don't panic. Launching doesn't mean a huge product drop or scary sales pitch. It means sharing your value consistently. Here's what that looks like in 2026. Start building in public. Post your journey on TikTok, YouTube, or Threads. Offer a free resource that leads to your paid offer. Grow your email list naturally and nurture it. Show your audience the real you because authenticity sells. Your first $100 online won't come from perfection. It's going to come from action. Start messy, start now, and watch what happens when consistency meets clarity. Glow Squad, let's bring it all home. You know now that why 2026 is the best time to make money online, how to learn one profitable skill, how to leverage your system, and how to launch with confidence. That's the Simple Freedom Framework. And this framework isn't about hustling harder, it's about building smarter. So, whether you're starting a service, creating your first digital product, or you're promoting System IO like I am, then this opportunity in 2026 is massive. So here's what I want you to do. Rewatch this video and take notes. Pick one step that you can act on today. And finally, join the Glow Squad email list and get started working with me today. And I will have the link in the description and in the pinned comment section. I can't wait to hear from you. Let's make 2026 your year of freedom, confidence, and glow. You got everything you need to start. So let's get this. And until next video, keep shining, keep glowing, Glow Squad. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.